Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. So are you having issues with feed importing in the Echo RSS post generator plugin? So are you trying to import your feeds and still getting an red X, and you don't seem to get rid of this red X anyway? Let me show you what to do in this case. So first of all, you have to validate the feed you are using. So for this, you should use the simplify.org demo and input your feed here and click read. And as you can see, this feed is not validating here. And this will not work also in my plugin. However, you should search for alternatives for these kind of feeds that don't validate here, because these will not be able to be used in the plugin. So let me show you an example feed that can be read here. So click on read and this feed validates, as you can see. And if we enter this in plugin settings, let's import only one post for simplicity and let's run it. This will work. So the first thing to check is this. I will link in this video description the demo site here. So you should check the feeds you are using in the plugin and not working in this on this site. So if they are validating here and still not working in the plugin, then you should investigate further. If not, then you will have to search for an alternative feed. So other issues that might prevent your website from accessing the feeds that are giving a red X are firewall rules or other server-side restrictions that block access to other websites from your server's host. So for this, go to main settings and be sure to activate the search for enable logging for rules, and be sure to activate both enable logging for rules and enable detailed logging for rules checkboxes. So both should be checked. And afterwards you can go to activity and logging section of the plugin, and here you will see the errors that appeared when importing the feed. So here you will see error in parsing RSS feed, and this is the error that appears also here. So as if you check, so let's copy this feed address again, paste it here. So we have a feed could not be found at, okay, and here we will have a feed, okay, so this is similar. So if the feed is not working here, then it will not work neither here. One thing you can try is, if the feed is not validating, you can uncheck this checkbox, and the plugin will use the WordPress built-in SimplePy version and not use its own SimplePy version. If you uncheck this checkbox, save settings, you might make your feed to work. If it is not working neither with this checkbox unchecked, then you will have to find an alternative feed to use. Okay, so this is all for this tutorial video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more similar content, updates and news, and don't forget to stay awesome. Bye bye.